Opposition court case. Thank you, Dorothy, for asking. Opposition has every right to go to court. It's not new to our government. We've been in and out of court since we were 2 weeks old as a government in 2019. When we were government in 2019, we were in and out of court case, contesting the legitimacy of our government. So it is not new. In fact, it is within their constitutional right to go to court. So they're doing what they must do. We will do what we must do. We believe that the Western Amendment to Section 145 will stand the test of time without diving into the details of what is now before court. I think today lawyers on both sides expounded on the law as it is. Sometimes lawyers are busybody, if I could use this word. I'd rather the opposition lawyers advise opposition proper on the chances of succeeding, especially when laws are there to be read. And similar cases were mounted by Governor Ben Elliott. And the same, not same composition, but competent Supreme Court found that the case had no legs. Section 145, subsection 5 took precedent. They affirmed that Section 145, subsection 5 is good law, and the good law will stand. And I just want to make it absolutely clear that Section 145, subsection 5 does not remove vote of no confidence provision in our country. The vote of no confidence provision remains, but that element of law was placed inside. But the Supreme Court was explicit. It says that a vote of no confidence that has failed is a vote of confidence on a government, and so an 18 months mandate again is absolutely congruent to the gist of Section 145 in itself. And so that law was upheld. And I don't know in their business how they find time to afford another court case that and without preempting what will be the outcome of the matter that is coming on foot. But our lawyers submitted that Section 145 subsection 5 is good law. We're now in safe time into elections. And mind you, elections is only now 11 months away from Reid's big issue. And if I was those in the opposition, they've been firing all manners of arrows at the Marape Rosa government or the Pangu-led police. It's within their rights. Opposition has that mandate to shoot down government, and they're doing that very well the way I see. So face the elections. The people will decide. And to the people, I think I released a press statement yesterday that our people have their sectional 50 rights to cast vote proper. And I have always said, create your government at the polls. If you believe that the Honorable Nomane is the alternate Prime Minister capable of being Prime Minister, then please endorse these candidates from whichever party they choose to run. I hope is it PNC right now, so I hope he gets the PNC leadership. Or if you feel that the other party leader, without naming names, good leaders, vote for that party leader's candidate. That's the way you construct government. That's the way our constitution is defined. Since 2001, after late Mekara Morata passed the integrity of political party and candidates, law has seen that Section 6 invitation is conferred to the party that retains the highest number. So to the country, you have those, all of us, on display. Process us, check us, assess us, match our lifestyle with the policies that we author, and make your wise choice. So you vote correctly at the elections, creating government, instead of just making noise on Facebook. Facebook don't win elections. It is actual vote and voter that wins elections. And we will do our utmost best. I will come back from this visit. Sometimes in May, we will ask Governor Baird and his committee. Remember, Governor Baird is in opposition. Our government has the number to remove him from the committee, but we choose to allow him to remain as chair of this key committee that scrutinized election preparation, including reporting on what has happened in the previous elections. So, Governor, because we are mature leaders, we are not in this to scheme and do things improperly or incorrectly. So Governor Baird's committee will be asked to summon electoral commission at the government to indicate as to election 2027 preparations. So to the opposition leader and his cohorts who behind this, your place for contest is also coming up very fast. And that's April 2027. We're now in April 2026. Just under 12 months, issue of which will take place. So I wish him all the very best as he prepares for elections. Likewise, Pangu will do prepare for elections, defend the cause. And, people, renew our mandate, we will carry on the work we've started. If the people transfer this mandate to someone else, we will accept the call by our people. But the election is around the corner. The court case, we will await whatever happens. Someone else was texting me, why are you leaving the country at the time when the court case is coming up? Well, the country must not depend just on James Marape. I got the Honorable John Rosa. He's got a big shoulders. He can carry the country. We have the rest of our cabinets in place, government in place.